Final 6 overs to go. West Indies A. They've lost 4 wickets. Hasn't been a start like yesterday at all. They had a flyer yesterday. They've struggled today. The pitch has been slow. It looks similar, Vinod.
It did. I'm surprised that it is turning that much, but also credit to the Nepalese bowler for slowing down the pace, especially Saga when he came in. He slowed down the pace. The one ball that he used well was the arm ball where he was right on spot. He got a wicket with the arm ball as well. So the Nepalese bowler have mixed it really well. And because of the slowness of the surface, they have been able to deceive the batters as well. But this will not deceive anybody. It's going on to the grassy banks of TU Cricket Ground for a maximum.
Good start to this over. They needed this. The West Indian side, they're put into a lot of pressure by the Nepali bowlers. Came down the track, got to the pitch of the delivery, and has deposited this to the crowd. Was an attempt there for a catch. Better luck next time.
It's a safer option that Kusal took this time around outside the off, short of land, so that he did not go again for the maximum. And these 6 overs are going to be crucial. West Indies would look to put in at least 150 on the board to challenge Nepal, because the kind of batting Nepal has today, it's an extended batting lineup today. Sompal back in the squad and a few other batters walking in as a replacement, I mean as a change players. So Nepal will have a deeper batting lineup.
Advantage to Nepal, but the bowling unit still should think this is a strong West Indies batting lineup, and they cannot go complacent. They cannot take it casually. They've done the hard work. 91 for 4. We're into the 15th over. What is the score, you think the West Indies A side?
Anything near to 150 would be challengeable on this surface for sure. These players have played leagues around the world, have been in T20, been the best team in T20s so far, have won the World Cup twice. And these players were part of some very famous squads, be it Andrew Fletcher or Kimo Paul. These guys have played the biggest leagues in the world, so you can count on them to defend any target that put on. But yes, what we saw yesterday was special. If somebody in Nepal team could replicate that, we are in for some fun today as well.
We'll take Vinod's word on Rohit Paudal's innings yesterday after this ball. Short and wide. No pace offered at all by Kushal. Directed. Would have got the umpire interested. Not the case. 15 gone. 93 for 4.
32 जडीबुटी